Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see SAP consultant. Many of their resumes are not getting selected for the initial round itself. For initial screening itself, it's getting rejected. So that why it is getting rejected, we are going to see that during the initial stage, initial screening, when you send a resume, that resume is getting rejected. Why? That is what we see. Certain words we have to spare. We have to put the certain words in the resume. That is what we are going to see. What all we are going to put in the resume. First, in the resume, you have to specify roles and responsibilities. So what is the roles and responsibilities? Roles and responsibilities are like, for example, if you have been doing any business processes, you have been configuring any business process, that is roles and responsibilities. Configurations, it's a roles and responsibilities. SPRO settings. Maintenance of the master record is a roles and responsibilities. Material master record, maintenance. Customer master record, maintenance. Vendor master record, uploading. Maintenance in the sense uploading. Roles and responsibilities. Kickstart meeting. Initiating kickstart meeting. Initiating meeting with the customer. That is business. That is client. That is responsibilities. Weekly status meeting. That is responsibility. Those are comes under responsibilities. Minutes of meeting. Recording the minutes of meeting also comes under responsibilities. Management. That is comes under management responsibilities. Management work. So those are all responsibilities. All those you have to specify in the resume. You have to put that in the resume. Only then you'll get the calls. Only then your resumes will be shortlisted. It's not getting shortlisted because of these words are not being put up in the resume. The next step, implementation is very, very important. For any SAP consultant, implementation is, you have to put this word implementation. You have to put the word implementation. You have to get trained yourself in implementation. If you haven't get a chance to do implementation, get trained yourself in implementation. Okay, implementation. Okay. A link has been provided in the description. Check the link for SAP MM implementation. Okay. WRICEF. This word WRICEF. Okay. WRICEF in the sense, W stands for workflow. R stands for reports. I stands for integration. C stands for conversion. E stands for enhancement. F stands for forms. Workflow. When I am creating a purchase order, a mail will be triggered to the vendor. That will be configured by workflow consultant. If you are getting any sort of requirement, we have to find it out whether in which category that requirement falls under. Whether it is a workflow or a reports or integration or conversion, enhancement or forms. Okay. So workflow is nothing but when you create a sales order, a mail will be triggered to the customer. That will be configured by workflow consultant. And next is reports. Whether the requirement is being a report will be decided by you. Reports. ALB reports. ABAP list viewer. ALB reports. ABAP list viewer. Okay. That is reports. Sales order reports. Purchase order reports. Material document reports. Goods receiving, that is the material document reports. Goods issuing material document reports. That comes and falls under reports. Okay. Integration with the other application. Here the integration is not within the modules. It is the integration with other application. There will be an application called, for example, CRM application. So from there, the data will be flown to SAP. So that is integration. You have to decide whether the requirement falls under integration or not. Conversion is uploading of data, material master data. There will be 1,000 material master materials. You have to upload it into SAP system. So you have to use LSMW, Legacy System Migration Workbench. Or LTMC. Okay. So, or else enhanced, whether the requirement falls under enhanced, that is a screen level updation. Screen level updation. There is any screen needs to be modified, will be done in enhanced. Forms is smart forms, outputs. Purchase order output will be designed in smart forms. Smart forms. Okay. So it falls under, so this word you have to specify. So you need training for this. Either you have to do it by if you get a chance to do it by yourself, you can do it. Or you have to train, you have to get yourself trained on this. Okay. And so all these words you have to specify in the resume. Only then your resumes will be shortlisted. Cutover activity, you have to specify it in your resume. Cutover activity. What do you mean by cutover activity? They may ask. List of, for example, uploading of data. For example, uploading of data, material master data into production. Material master data in production. At that time, what will happen? They just put down the server. The server will not be up. They put down the server, they upload the data, and they just up the server. That is cut over. This also you have to specify in your resume. Configurations. Material master configuration. Okay. Vendor master configurations. Vendor master number ranges. For example, customer master number ranges. Sales order number ranges, purchase order number ranges will be configured by the SAP consultant. So all those all comes under configurations. Now, I want to say about business process. You have to specify the business processes. In SAP MM, procure to pay is the business process. You have to specify this in the, if you are a MM consultant, you have to specify in the resume. SD consultant, order to cash rate is a business process. You have to specify that in the resume. SAP FICO, finance and controlling. Accounts receivable and payable is a business process. You have to specify that in your resume. Only then you get the calls. Your resume will be screened. Okay. SAP PP, discrete manufacturing and repetitive manufacturing. These are business processes. You have to put that business processes in the projects. Okay. Only then you get the calls. Next, let's go to the. I have spoken about this implementation. Next, master data, material master configuration, customer master configuration. Okay. That is material master configuration with number ranges. Customer master configuration with configurations. Customer material info record, number ranges with configurations. All these you have to specify in the resume. Only then you get the calls, or else the initial screening itself, they reject the resume. As a consultant, you should be in a position to do all this. If you are a MM consultant, supplier master number ranges. Supplier master number ranges. See here. Supplier master number ranges. Purchase info record number ranges. Configurations must be in a position to do it. Okay. Next, project support. You have to specify, very important. They may ask you what are all the support tickets you have been involved in. Where either it should be a change request or a troubleshoot. Troubleshoot in the sense, if you are saving any purchase order, when you get an error message, then you have to troubleshoot. Change request is creation of the new purchase order document. That is change request. NP document. They may give you, for example, they may give you purchase order number range should be 5000000 00002 59999. So you have to configure this. This is a new change request. Change request. This is new change request. They may raise. They may raise use change request. So you have to create and configure the purchase order document with this number range. Next, documentation. You have to specify this in the resume. User document. Manual, user manual. I mean to say user document is nothing but user manual. Specification, functional specification. You have to specify this in the resume. How to create a functional specification. Test case document. How to create test case document. You have to specify all this in the resume. Only then your resume gets shortlisted or your resume will be rejected. The initial screening is. Thank you.